Hello, it's me again. Happy Friday, my cash cow family. From foggy Carmel by the Sea, California at 3:58 to the AM. Anyway, guys, like the thumbnail stated, guys, I'm going to show you how to find the best keywords for your affiliate marketing campaigns on Microsoft Ads, and I'm going to be using Google as well, just to kind of show you guys how the professionals do this. So anyway, guys, if that interests you, I urge you to like the video and comment and subscribe. I make these type of videos. Well, lately I've been making them 3, 4, or 5 times a week. So here we are again, guys, and I do have a couple updates for my current subscribers, so stay tuned for that, and I'll flip it around and I'll show you how to find the best keywords for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay. All right, guys, let's dive into this. And the reason why I'm doing this video, guys, is because my e-commerce store last month did not perform the way that it has been. So I am going to create an ad. I've got 3 different ads running on Google for my e-commerce store. It's the realcaddyshack.co if you want any epic golf stuff. But I've got to be making way more money than I am with the website. So I'm going to start advertising on Microsoft Ads. Not that I haven't in the past for this website, but I have a lot of data, and that's why this video is about how to find the best keywords for your affiliate marketing campaigns. So this would apply to anything, guys. You don't have to have an e-commerce store to do this research. You need to do this research for any product, affiliate product, whatever. So enough about that. Okay, guys. And if you are new to the channel, I'm your silent cash cow, and I have been making money online for well over 25 years. Most of it stems from affiliate marketing, but a lot of it is print on demand, drop servicing, blah to the blah to the blah. So if that interests you, I urge you to subscribe to the channel and click that cowbell down there. So because I do cash cow giveaways, and I'm going to do one soon. So anyway, we'll get started. And again, guys, if you are new here, I don't do scripts or anything like that. So deal with it. All right, guys. Hey, there's me. So, like I said, I have run a few ads on Microsoft for my Real Caddyshack website. But I'm going to tweak them, and we're going to tweak them together with keywords that I've built up in Google as well as Microsoft Ads. So this is the ad that I'm going to tweak right here. Because of the average cost per click. My other ones, there's just, I was paying too much per click. So, anywho, like I said, I've been running ads on Google, and I've built up search terms. And I'm going to show you guys how to find this. I mentioned this a couple days ago, but here we are doing it live. Well, not live, but you know what I mean. Are you all having a wonderful Friday wherever you are in this crazy place we call a world? I need to go to campaigns that aren't shopping campaigns, guys. So let's do that. And let's go to entire time. So I have received 171 clicks with 2 conversions, it looks like. Yippee skippy. I don't know if that's right. I don't think it is, actually. Hang on, guys. I need to go back. Did you see where I clicked over here? I clicked on keywords, and then it drops down, and then I'm going to go to down here. I'm going to go to search terms, and we have it set at the entire time. So basically, guys, these are going to be search terms that people, they actually type in what these keywords and search terms that I'm actually showing you. So if they're relevant, I'm going to take those and I'm going to put them in my Microsoft ads or my Microsoft ad for this. So, guys, there's 244 search terms. And I didn't even run this for that long. But that's what I was saying a couple days ago, guys. Once you start running your campaigns, it takes, 2 or 3 days to start building up these search terms. So again, just stay with it, and you'll find the right keywords for your affiliate marketing products. And you can see all the ones with the check mark. I already have those added. So let's go. And guys, I'll probably speed this up. I really just wanted to show you how you find these keywords. And I definitely will be doing that, guys, because I'm going to try to make a short video today. I try to make a short video every day, but it just doesn't happen, guys, as you well know. But I'd like to think I'm providing value for you guys, so show me some love and watch the shit. Let's see. I'm gonna act like you guys aren't here, because when you are here, it just takes longer, I guess. I have all the. This is a good one here. Titties cap. Copy. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm going to back up here. You guys don't have to see me create the ad. I really just wanted to show you of how you find the most relevant keywords for your affiliate marketing products or whatever you're doing, like I said before. Let's go. And it's the same thing, guys, on both platforms, both Microsoft and Google Ads. So keywords, search terms. This is actually perfect right here. I might not even need to go over to Google, but you can see up here, guys. So this is where your keywords would be. Negative keywords. I don't really have any negative keywords per se for this website yet. I don't really need them. And then search terms. Wow, there's a lot of keywords here, guys. So what I can do, and what you can do, is simply, check the ones that are obviously relevant. The reason why these are relevant is because I'm trying to just promote my Titties golf collection, because I've sold, I don't know, I've had a lot of orders, guys, with just selling these titties related hats and apparel. So it's mainly hats. But again, I wasn't getting the results because last month, I'll just show you real quick so you know I'm legit over here. so you know I know what I'm talking about. So last month, guys, I did $3,814.61 in sales. Um, the profit is almost half of that, minus the ad spend of like $500. So not very much money. What's that? I don't know. Let's just say 2 grand or something profit. I think it's like 1,800. Um, and that's not where I want to be. I want this website doing. I want it doing $200 profit a day, and that would require me to do about 500 in sales, and that would be minus the ad spend of say $50 a day, which it's never $50 a day, but that would put me around $6,000 a month in pure profit. And I've done that. I'm close to doing that a couple months ago, in June and July, I think. So I'm trying to get that back to those numbers. So, anywho, man, I don't want to really end the ad or the video right now, but well, let me show you. I was going to show you how to add them to your campaign if you already have a campaign. So let's just say I'm going to add that. I'm going to add Titties golf hat. And these are good search terms, guys, because these are exact matches. Again, guys, if you don't know about exact match and phrase match and all that, watch my other videos on that. I did a whole video just on match types and negative keywords, so watch it. Titties golf sun hat. Would that be like a bucket hat? Because I sell those. But anyway, guys, so all you would do, once you find the ones that are relevant, and I've got over, well, I don't have that many for this because I didn't run this ad for very long, and that's why I'm taking search terms from Google as well. Well, there's some good ones in here that I didn't have in there. I'll show you what the ad looks like too, guys. But so you would go add as keywords, right? Plus sign, and then it'll ask you if you wanted exact phrase or whatever. I already know from looking what I want, so I will simply click apply, and those were added to the campaign, which you will see right here. See that? We just added those. But let me show you the ad and let me explain more of, I preach relevancy, guys, so I'm going to tweak this ad because I started a sale today of save 20% if they buy today on their entire order. I've never done a sale like this. I'm kind of reaching. I'm trying to figure out why people, because I'm getting a ton of traffic, but people aren't pulling the trigger and buying. So again, that's why I'm doing it. But this is the ad, guys. So I'll probably titty golf hats on sale, and I'll put buy today and save 20% site-wide. Can we get it in? Buy today and save 20%. I don't even need that site-wide in there, guys. Buy today and save 20%. Anyway, guys, you don't have to watch me create the ad, but I'm just showing. I'm trying to make this relevant, right? So, looking for titties, golf hats, and apparel. Well, obviously, I created this ad back in December or something because I have Christmas in here. But so anyway, I'm gonna tweak the ad, guys. You don't have to watch me create the ad. And then again, I think that's it, guys. again, I preach how, this stuff isn't rocket science. If you just get in and start doing stuff, and comment down below, guys, if you learned anything today. How about that? And I'm going to end the video right now. But wait, there's always a wait. Normally it's after I upload the video. But update on the on this video, guys, that I did, the make $125 selling water. I was accepted into that program yesterday, and I've emailed them back and forth a couple times. They didn't ask me. They did ask me how I planned on promoting it, and I just kind of avoided the question. And here we are. I was accepted, and this is the ad that we created, guys. I just want to show you that it's actually going. Well, I really don't have to do that because I don't have, well, I go to my all enabled campaigns. And so far, guys, well, the entire time was basically, well, yesterday we got 3 clicks on that. And then today we haven't gotten any clicks, only 3 impressions, but and obviously no one's bought it. And that's the other thing, guys. I'm probably not even going to market this because, well, I'll let the ad play out and see what happens maybe throughout today. But again, guys, the product is $2,500. The commission is only $125. To get somebody from an ad to spend $2,500 on any product you're kind of reaching. So anyway, but I was accepted, so you guys can get accepted if you do want to promote this product. So that was kind of my update. And other than that, guys, I've said 4 times or 5 that I was going to end the video, but I'm ending it now. Hope you all have been well and out there making that moolah, guys. Again, comment down below if you learned anything or if you've ever learned from anything that I talk about on this channel. And I hope you all have a wonderful Friday, wherever you are in this crazy place we call a fricking world anymore. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.